everyone, Serena B here, and today we're going to be making our own journals. So I'm just printing out this lined paper that I found online. It's a free printable, so I'll link it below if you guys are interested in making your own. I printed out 13 back to back, so it gives me 26 sheets. Once you have the papers printed, you just fold them in half, and the notebook in the end measures 8.5 by 5.5. So really nice size for the idea I have in mind. I'm using my new Radical Love collection, which is all about self-love, and I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this collection. It's really fun, it's really beautiful, and I'm going to be making a love letters journal. I'm just scoring an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper in half. This is one of my favorite patterns from the collection. It's full of beautiful positive affirmations, and I learned this trick from my friend Mary Beth. I actually changed the orientation of the pattern into horizontal in order to make this journal cover, and it's really easy to do. You just have to change a couple of things when you're ready to print out your paper on the printing settings. So I'm using my long reach stapler to reach into the spine and just staple all the pages together. You can stitch this if you have a sewing machine, it's up to you. So as you can see, it's a very simple tutorial. You can make a bunch of these journals and you can make them in different types of paper. On the inside you can print out dots or a grid or just blank sheets of paper as well. So I'm just showing you a little flip through of what it looks like together. So I have a special challenge that I'm going to be starting in May, and it revolves around this journal. So I had the idea of creating a monthly challenge with love letter prompts. I'm really excited for this idea, so I will have a separate video at a later date explaining all of this in detail. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up of what I have planned for the future with this journal. I'm adhering this heart pattern from my collection with the Tombow Extreme Adhesive because this is a cover of a journal and I don't want anything to fall apart, and that is why I'm using this extreme adhesive. And I'm also adding it here on the washi tape. You'll see later on the inside I do use the Tombow Permanent Plus adhesive because it's still really strong. So to decorate, I added some of my favorite washi's, and I'm using some cut aparts from my collection. I'm using this black heart and then a candy conversation heart that says I love me. And I'm just layering them on top of the washi tape to create a fun little element. For the title, I wanted to spell out love but with bigger letters, and I didn't have any, so I'm just using these that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I think the blue really pops out from the background. And I'm also going to be using a white label from my Radical Love's cut apart sheets, and I'm going to be using the Mambi clear stickers to spell out letters on the label section. So as you can see, I'm just adding the letters, and yeah, it's really simple and it came together really quick and really fun to make. I kind of want to make a bunch of these. I'm really excited. So I decided to decorate the inside cover, and I'm just using 2 journaling cards and layering them together. I love, love, love these together. They're so pretty. And I decided to go with I Love Myself because this is a journal all about love letters to me. So I'm really excited about this idea, and I can't wait to share more with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. And if you want to check out my Radical Love collection, I will link my shop below, and also I'll have the video where I show you all that is included in the collection. Again, I will have a separate video explaining my May challenge in more detail coming up shortly on my channel, probably in April. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!